Hey guys, so companies today worldwide are very eager to build these robust multi-AI agent systems to solve numerous problems, and we all know where the AI agents and multi-AI agents are heading towards, building autonomous systems and all that. So, what makes them so special? One prominent specialty of these multi-AI agents is their ability to solve a complex problem given to them through a step-by-step approach with function calling using different tools, memory, taking necessary actions whenever it is required. So we already have some amazing frameworks to help us build these AI agent workflows and all that, such as Crew AI, we have Llama Index, we have LangChain, etc. But the interesting thing is, recently, last week, OpenAI released Swarm, a new open source multi AI agent framework to build multi agent workflows. But this is still in the early stages and in the experimental phase. And today in this video, we are going to see a glimpse of how Swarm basically works. Hey guys, so here is a simple tutorial of Swarm by OpenAI. Like we discussed, it's a new framework for building multi-agent systems. So first thing is to install it through pip install. And once the swarm is installed, the next thing is to use it, right? Just like how we mention the agent and name of the agent and its role and instruction in FreeAI and other multi-agent workflows, exactly the same way we're gonna mention the agent name and give it some instructions, right? That's what we are doing here. Agent A and agent B. It's like we're telling agent B to only speak in the haikus, okay? Like you see, right? Once I run this, I want to talk to agent B, right? Once you run this, it's gonna talk in a way in the pattern of haikus. Okay, so it's like agent B awaits, ready to help and assist. What do you need most? So this is just a simple basic example of mentioning agents and then instructing the agents and then making them work accordingly. Okay, so the content is I want to talk to agent B, but the instruction is agent B can only speak in the form of haikus. Okay, so and then that's it about the simple workflow of how to use Swarm basically, and then working with agents. Here we can create different agents. Like the first thing is to import this form from OpenAI, and then mention your OpenAI API key, and then here is where you can basically create different agents and then with specific instructions, right? So here we have English agent, and the instruction is you only speak in English. And we have Hindi agent, which the name is Hindi agent, and the instruction is you only speak in Hindi. Similarly, we have Spanish agent and French agent, right? So this is how you can basically define the agents and the instructions, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to basically do translation of the sentences. Like I'm like, uh, if the message there's the role, user, and content. As you can see here, pancakes कैसे बनाते हैं. So this is basically Hindi. I'm asking how to make pancakes, right? So I want to get an answer for that in Hindi, and similarly, I want to use my Spanish agent, and I wanted to. I'm asking the same thing here, right? But this is in Spanish. I don't know how to read Spanish, but I copied it from um, you know from ChatGPT. So here also I'm asking the same thing, like how to make pancakes. As you can see, once you run that particular thing, uh, since I want to use I'm using two types of agents here. One is the Hindi agent and the other one is Spanish agent. This is how I'm getting the response back. So this is how you make it. These are all the ingredients, and this is the process of making the pancakes. I'm not gonna read the Hindi, but yeah, I hope you understand this. So, and again, the next thing is to translate the same thing or uh, you know, uh, get us the response back in Spanish, like how to make pancakes. So these are the ingredients, right? And these are the instructions of how to make pancakes. Okay. And then that's about using different AI agents and then working with the flow with the AI agents. And here is how you can basically call do function calling, right? First thing is to import. That's what we are doing, and then we are basically asking the uh, calling the weather tool, weather function, right? The agent is the name is agent. We are not calling it anything. The instruction is you are a helpful agent. That's it, and the function is to get the weather. And then what we're saying here is like the role user content is what is the weather in New York City, right? And once you run it, you're gonna get like the current temperature in New York City is 67 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's the way to use these agents, and there is a lot more to come with Swarm. A lot of there are already I see in the Swarm repository a lot of examples. So go ahead to the Swarm Git repository and try numerous examples to understand how Swarm basically works. Thanks.